Welcome to Whitebridge Farm, a magical place where hundreds of stories have been told by scores of writers, some who've had plays produced in New York, movies made, books published, some who had never before put pen to paper. But everyone's welcome because everyone has a story to tell. Here at Whitebridge, we've created a safe and nurturing environment to let you set your imagination free, to explore and experiment and succeed. The Right on Golden Pond experience is completely immersive and process-oriented. Nobody gets to fail, and everybody finishes. There are 8 chairs around my table, filled every workshop with 8 eager, slightly nervous, and amazing writers. I work closely with each writer one-on-one, and by the end of an extremely invigorating and fulfilling weekend, each will have written several drafts of his or her new masterpiece and enjoy the singular satisfaction of hearing it read by professional actors in front of a live audience. As I said, it's magic. You should come make some.